Operation Bulldozer, Operation Massacre, Operation Bulldozer, Operation Massacre.
Oh my God, why are you going with the band?
Man of God, I cannot be left out on this end of the year miracle bonanza. What a better way to end the year 2021, but in the presence of the Lord.
Hello friends and lovers. It is that time of the year again for our retreat, but this time it is the mother of all global crusade titled The Great Miracle Explosion.
Yes, the seasoned man of God, W.F Kumuyi will be ministering live from Lagos, Nigeria, alongside an international gospel artist, Paul Baloch, to the rest of the world from 21st to 26th December 2021.
Join us at any Deeper Life Church close to you or through our social media handles.
It promises to be great because our Lord Jesus Christ will be there to crush every remnant of your challenges like a
bulldozer.
Come expecting, come believing, at the mother of all global crusade, and the Lord will do us good. Operation Bulldozer, Operation Massacre, Operation Bulldozer, Operation Massacre.